Hello? What? Give way to the right, you cunt! Wanker. Whoa. Don't just fucking drift across. Fuck me. It's a great place to stop, isn't it? Just in the road. Arsehole. Two of you just stopped. What the fuck? Is that what we do in Essex? Do we just stop in the road and sit on our phone? I know it's basically a dead-end road that only leads to a housing estate, but still. What the fuck are you doing? Twat. Not even fucking... It's not even his side of the fucking road. Wonderful, thank you. Just have a nice leisurely stroll in front of the speeding vehicles. Well, not speeding, you know what I mean. Quite how long is that guy going to drive on the opposite side of the fucking road? Like, I'm doing 20, which is the speed limit for this road. Just cunt, basically, just cunt is the good word to describe that person. You can tell he's never done any sort of driving test or looked at any highway code if he's stopping on the middle of a fucking roundabout for a red light that's not even for him. Swat. No, the fuck are you doing? Prick. Doing? Give way to the right, you dickhead. The fuck are you going? The fuck is that? Wanker. No fucking indicator, no nothing. Just move out as I'm going to go round you because I think you're parked. Arsehole. Cyclist is a fucking wanker. If we had a green, he certainly had a red. And there we go, over that one as well, nearly in front of the moped. You inconsiderate twat. Red light? Nope, we're just going to go through it, are we? Prick. Oh, and... Red light, you cunt! Fucking same cyclist from 5 minutes ago. Swat. So that cyclist, that's 3 red lights I saw him go through, and all 3 dangerously. It's like he wants to be a statistic. Fucking twat trying to jump the queue. Piss off, dickhead.